Good morning, my friends. Welcome back. It is Tuesday, day and lesson number 19 of our remote learning. I hope you're ready and have on your thinking caps this morning because we're going to have an awesome lesson. Today we are working with solving word problems 220. Okay, and our worksheets look like this. Day 19, solving word problems. Okay. So you have a total of 6 word problem sheets, okay? So we're going to work at least 2 together. We're going to do number 1. I'm not going to do this one, but I'm going to randomly pick another one just to show you how to do it, okay? So we're going to work 2 together. So we're going to start with number 1. And number 1, and I didn't write it on my board because it's a word problem, says Amy has some crayons. She finds 7 more crayons. Now she has 18 crayons. How many crayons did she have at the start? Okay? So we know that Amy found how many? They use the word find, so let's use finds. Amy finds how many crayons? 7. She finds 7 crayons. Now altogether, she has 18. She found 7. She has 18 now. So before she found the 7, we have to find out how many she had in order to figure out how she got to 18. So they have blank plus 7 equals 18. Okay, and then we have blank crayons. Blank crayons. So we have to find out how many crayons she had before she found the 7. And they use our favorite thing, our 10 frames, okay? So we're going to draw our 10 frames at the bottom. We're going to draw 2 10 frames, okay? 2 10 frames. Now, I haven't finished yet because we have to do this. Okay? 5, 10 frames, 10 and 10. Okay? So now we know that she found 7 crayons. So we're going to do our 7 crayons that she found in red. Okay, she found 7. So let's do 7 red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red crayons. That's how many she found. She found 7 there. But in all, she has 18. She has 18 altogether after she found the 7. So we know we have 7. So let's add on or count on to our 7 to fill up how many we're going to need for 18. But first, we always fill up our first 10 frame first. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 added on here gave us 10. So how many more? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now let's count them all together and see if we have 18 circles. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So those are she has 18 with all the crayons together. She has 18. She had 7 red ones that she found, but she had some before she found the 7. So let's count all the green crayons to see how many she had before she found the 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It says 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many crayons did Amy have before she found the 7? That's right. She had 11. She had 11. And let me show you something else you could do with this. You could say 18 minus 7 equals our 11. So we could have worked it that way, but we worked it this way. So how many crayons did Amy have before she found the 7? She had 11 crayons, because 11 plus 7 give us 18. Okay? 11 plus 7 is 18, which gave us 11 crayons that she had, because we had the 7 red crayons that she found, and she already had the 11 green crayons, and then she put them all together, which gave her 18 crayons. Okay? All right, so we're going to work another one together. Let's erase this. And let's pick another words problem and work it together. Okay? So some of our word problems you can use. You can use your 10 frames. You can use your number bond. You can use just counting objects. Whatever you need to figure out your word problems. Okay? Now, number 2 was working. They worked that one with the number bond. Okay? Let's see which one we're going to work. Let's do number 4. Okay? Let's work number 4. Number 4 says there are 12 bagels in a box. 12. So we know we have 12 bagels. Oops. That A look like a G. We have 12 bagels in a box. We have 12 bagels. Okay, and then it says some bagels are eaten. Somebody eaten some of the bagels. Now there are 4. So some bagels were eaten. So now we only have 4 bagels left. So we only have 4 bagels. So we had 12. Somebody ate the bagels. So now we only have 4. How many bagels were eaten? How many were eaten? Somebody ate up our bagels. How many? So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to use that number bond for this one, okay? So we know we have 12 minus blank equals blank, okay? Then they have how many bagels were eaten. Okay, and we're going to use the number bond. Let me get a darker marker so you can see it, okay? Our big blocks, our smaller box. We're going to use the number bond. Let's get our black marker so we can see it a little bit better. Okay? So this one going to be works like number 2 would be worked. So, we know we have 12. 12 is our largest number so far. So let's put 12 in the top. Because that's how many bagels we had all together. We had 12 bagels. Then little Johnny got hungry. He ate all the bagels except how many? He ate all the bagels except 4. He left 4 bagels. Okay? So, and our subtraction is 12 minus what equals blank. So to find the difference between what was in there and what was left, they did subtraction. So let's go with 12 minus our 4. Okay? 12 minus 4 equals, what is 12 minus 4? Let's do 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tell you what, instead of counting objects, let's use our number bond, our 10 frame. We're going to put our 10 frame. So we're using both our number bond and our 10 frame so we can show you how things are done. Okay. So we know we had 12 bagels all together. So let's do 12 bagels. 12 green bagels and not stale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's our 10 frame filled up. And then we have 12. Okay? 12 bagels in all. 12, 12, 12. Somebody ate all of our bagels except 4. So what we want to do is have 12 minus 4, which is 12, and instead of adding, whatever you put in these two would equal this, okay? So this is going to be adding these two to get this. So 12 minus 4, so that means we're going to mark out 4 of our green bagels. Ready? Let's mark out because you're taking away from. You're not adding 2, you're pulling away from. 1, 2, 3, 4. We took away 4 green bagels. Because somebody ate all the bagels except for those 4. So we just took those 4 because we're trying to find out the difference. So how many green circles do I have left that I didn't mark out? Let's count and find out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 left. We have 8 left in our 10 frame. Okay? So 12 minus the 4 gave us the number 8. So what do you think we're going to put in our number bond? What number you think? We already got the 12. We already have the 4. So what's left? Our 8. Because 8 plus 4 give us our 12. So how many bagels we're eating out of our box? How many bagels were eaten? 8. 8 bagels were eaten. Let's make that a little bit darker so you can see it. Okay? Let's walk through it again. We're going to read the number sentence and we're going to walk through it again. It says there are 12 bagels in a box. Started out with 12. Some bagels were eaten. Now there are 4. Had 12. Somebody ate some of them. Left us with 4. Okay? How many bagels were eaten? So we're trying to find out how many was eaten. Okay? So let's erase this and we're going to walk through it one more time. Okay? So we had 12. They had given us the 4. So that's where we got our 4 from. Because they had 12, our big number. 4 was left. So we put our 4 in our math sentence. Then we're going to put our 4 in our box. Okay? So we said that 12 minus 4, we had 12 bagels, or 12 green circles, and we took away 4, which gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left us with 8. So that's where we got our 8. So we put 8. So because 8 plus 4 give us 12. 12 minus 4 give us 8. So 8 bagels were eaten. Okay? So that is what you're going to be working with your number sentences. Your word sentence. word problems. I'm sorry. Okay. So we did number 1. We did number 4. So you have 2, 3, 5, and 6 to do. Okay. But you need to do them all. But I did help you with those 2 because I wanted to do 2 different ones. But then I also showed you how you can use the number bond and both the number bond and the 10 frame to work your answers. Okay. And then after you finish that, you have a subtraction fluency sheet. Okay? On your subtraction fluency sheet, just pay attention to what you're doing. And you're doing 10 minus 8. And then you have to say 7 minus what give you 2. And you can use the same things to answer your fluency sheet. Okay? So good luck on your work for today. And then I'll be talking to you again on tomorrow.